Hello and welcome guys, hope you are doing well. So I am again here with a new video around the Moodle, and in this video we'll see how you can set up the multiple options around the login page with the new learning theme. Okay, so there is a theme that is new learning is the name of that theme, and yes, of course this will be a paid one for your Moodle LMS. But this is not the discussion topic around the payment, so let's get started with how we'll have to set up the login page. Okay, for that you should have the new learning theme as a current theme, and I can go to here theme as an admin. So under new learning theme I can come to edit sections, and since I have to play around this login page, so everything will come up under features. So I will click on this. So under feature I will scroll down and will navigate to the custom login page. You see here, this is the highlighted one, and if I click on this arrow button, I will have the options how I will have to adjust the layout. So layout basically will have layout 1, 2 and 3. None will show. It will remove everything, the impact of this theme and how beautifully it has been modified will not work. Okay, so let me try moving ahead with the none itself this time. Okay, so earlier it was layout 2, but now I have set up the none. Okay, so this is just a simple login page in case you choose none. Now let me try with third layout 1 and see, and come back here on the login page. You see the layout 1 shift my login form from right to left, and image is completely visible on the right side. So it is also coming in the background of this form, but that is not something it is visible. Okay, so if your requirement is around, we'll have to put your login form on the left side, and we have the image visibility 1 to display image on the right side. So the layout 1 will be best suited in your case. Now coming to the next layout, so we have layout 2. So layout 2 will shift this form to right and image to the left. Okay, so now you see form at right side and image left side. Now coming to the next layout. So layout 3 will simply put this form in the middle of this page. Okay, and your image, background image or thumbnail, whatever you see, will come up both sides, left, right. Okay, so in that case we'll also have to think around how you will be aligning your content around this image so that it makes sense to this current settings. Okay, so I don't think the 3 is much suited in my case, but this is up to you and your choice. And of course the image background will have options here, you can add your own. So let me try removing this one and see how it looks in the middle. So I just removed the background, and this is how it looks like without image. Got it? And I can download the nice looking image from the pixels. Okay, so free image I can download. So give me LD. So I am just simply putting here the studying one, and I will click on this, the first options, and here around this first option you can see the lots of options are coming. So let me try with this image. Got it? So it looks some weird. Yeah, so let me try with this image and see how it looks. So I will download this one and save. Yes, so I am so Moodle of this by giving them a small donation in case you have to, otherwise it's free to use. More info. Okay, so I am simply going to add this newly downloaded image as my login page background. Got it? And I'll also switch my layout to layout 2. So layout 2 was for this form will be on the right side. Okay, so this is how I just try changing my image, and this is how it look like. So again, that is not coming in a better look. So if you would love to change that, you are feel free to change that one. So ideally that page should have, in case you are trying with university and your elements is around the corporate, you can pick for the image like this. So let me try this image and see how it goes. Okay, so again under features, custom login, image, I will delete the previous one and I will try adding the latest download. Yeah, so save changes and go back to this tab, refresh. This is how it look. Okay, so give it a try. In case you have to purchase this one, you can purchase, but before you moving ahead, please try every aspect of this theme, because if you are paying something, you have to more precautions. Thank you for watching and have a great day ahead.